Hello to all wonderful moms and dads. We are back with another amazing episode of Momming and Daddying. Today, let's talk about eating habits. There was this little girl called Ritu. Ritu was a very sweet girl. But the only problem with Ritu is she never eats. And her mom is really frustrated with the behavior of Ritu. She always asks her, "What do you want to eat?" And there's no reply from her. Also, Ritu's mom keeps cooking, but Ritu will never just try to taste what her mother made. And this behavior really troubled her mother a lot. Many common complaints that we keep hearing from the parents is it? Yes, like you, even I have gone through the phase. It is really difficult to convince the child to eat some food at some times. Let me help you with few tricks that could make your job easy. Number 1. Always give them the healthier choices. You want idli or paratha, you want juice or a salad, something like that. Because they will have a smoother restriction to choose between 2 or 3 items that they can have. Number 2. Don't pamper too much. All of our moms are very concerned about child eating something or the other. So we are always behind them to make them eat something. We pamper them a lot and we make it very sensitive that they will have to eat something, otherwise it is not gonna go. This is something that has to be changed. At times, it is really important to be little firm and let them realize the hunger. So it is okay. Number 3. Communicate. Talk to the child and find out what they would like to have and what they don't like. Probably knowing them, also making them understand about what to have and what not to have will also improvise their personality. Number 4. Homemade snacks. Homemade snacks is something that is advised from many long years, is it? The important thing that you'll have to realize is involve children when you are making them something so that they enjoy the process of making the snack and they would really love to taste it when it is done. Last but very important, always have fixed timings and fixed places to have their food. This is just not for their food habits, but also this is part of their regular discipline. We all generally think that eating habits will not have any influence on our personality. But the reality is, whatever we feed them during their early childhood will definitely have huge influence for the lifetime. And this could help bring up their personality too. Happy families make happy children and happy children build great society. Let's be part of it. Hope you all like this video. Please do share and subscribe to Story Labs for many updates from us. I'll see you all again with another amazing video. Signing off for today, yours Vishnu.